colleges can provide students up to 20,000 Canadian dollar to set up their own business. Hello everyone, my name is Japneet Kaur and welcome back to This in Canada. I hope you are all happy, healthy and fine. In this video, I will share with you top colleges for business studies in Canada available for international students. So if you are planning to do programs related to business studies, this video will provide you lots of information, because in this video, I will not only share with you the admission requirement, I will also provide you the most important information. Yes, there are few colleges in Canada which provide their students to set up their own business. So if you have a startup idea and you are willing to put effort, there are colleges which provide students with mentorship, training and also some amount of money to help them to start their own business. So if you even were not planning to do business studies in Canada, this information will also be useful if you want to start up your own business in Canada. In order to start up a business in Canada and on a foreign land, you need support, you need guidance and everything these colleges provide to their students. I will tell you about their program, I will tell you about their mentorship. So don't skip this video and watch this video till end. And before moving forward with this video, I will request each and every one of you to please subscribe to the channel, because this video took me a lot of time to research. So please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. So firstly, I want to discuss about the programs available under business studies in the colleges. So I will be discussing today about 6 colleges, and almost all the 6 colleges have same business courses available. So I don't want to repeat this information again and again. That's why I will be telling you about the programs available under business studies in these colleges beforehand. So the programs related to business studies are accounting and finance, human resource, business administrative, business analytics, international business, business management, marketing, library services, etc. So you can enroll in the program you are interested in, and also these are the programs, but there are sub-programs as well available with these programs. For example, if you are interested in business studies related to marketing, you can also get enrolled in program related to social media or social media strategy or digital strategic marketing. So these are the programs available in different colleges for business, but there are also sub-programs within the program. So you should check out the college website to know more about the programs you want to get enrolled in and the program you are interested in. Also, I will be telling about the 6 colleges which I have shortlisted, which are the top colleges for the business, which also provide startup opportunities for students, not only to the students who are enrolled in business studies, but also to other students as well. So the number 1 college available for business study in Canada is Seneca College, which is located in Toronto, Ontario. So I have already told you about the programs which are available for business studies, and for getting admission in Seneca College, you need IELTS score of minimum 6.0 with no less than 5.5 each, and the average tuition fee per year is around 15,000 Canadian dollar for Seneca College. And this is only tuition fees and not the total fees of Seneca College. And they also offer lots of scholarships. They offer entrance awards, scholarships, bursaries, which I have already discussed in my previous video, the difference between all these awards available for students. So do check it out. And the best part of Seneca College, why it is the top college, is it also provides co-op opportunities, internship opportunities and hands-on experience. But now let's talk about the startup opportunity which Seneca College provides. Seneca College has a startup process for the students who are enrolled in Seneca College called as Helix, Helix. And under this process, they provide for future entrepreneurs the mentorship, the training required to start up your own business in Canada. So Seneca College will provide all the resources, training which are required for future entrepreneurs to build their own first business in Canada, and they will help to launch your business idea in Canada. So if you have any business idea which you want to work on, Seneca College is a very good and very reputed college in Canada, which can provide you lots of guidance to start your own business in Canada. And now moving forward to our next college. The second college in our list today is Centennial College, which is also located in Ontario. Centennial College is a very reputed and among the top colleges in Canada, which offers various programs related to business courses. And if you want to get admission in this college, you need IELTS band of 6.5 with no less than 6 in each module. So keep in mind the IELTS requirement is 6.5, which is, I know, a little bit higher, but it's a very good college. They also offer a lot of co-op opportunities, which is a plus, and also other internships and hand-on experience program. And the tuition fees per year for this college is also around 15,000 Canadian dollars. And the program with which they help the students to become their own boss by helping them to launch their first business is ARIES, ARIES. And the full form of ARIES is Applied Research and Innovation Entrepreneurship Services. So under ARIES program, this college helps other business who are facing some challenges related to innovation or entrepreneurship. They help those business to overcome those challenges. So now what's the role of student, right? Students will actually help and participate in overcoming those challenges. This college will connect you with those business who need the support, who need some innovation idea or entrepreneurship idea. They will connect you with those business, and that's how you can learn about those business, contribute your expertise in those business, and help gain experience, and later on also start your own business. And if you will get admission in this college, I think you should take advantage of this program. And the next college in our list for the top colleges for business studies in Canada is George Brown College, which is also located in Ontario, and they also provide co-op opportunities, field placements, and internships. So if you want to get admission in George Brown College, you need IELTS score of 6.0 with no minimum, and the average tuition fee per year is around 1400 Canadian dollar. And the startup opportunity which George Brown College offer is Start GBC, that is Start George Brown College. So under this Start GBC program, they actually encourage, mentor, and also provide important toolkits for you to start your own first business in Canada. So if you have any startup idea, you should take advantage of Start GBC, as college will provide you with the mentorship by connecting you with the suitable business and also the other faculty members, which can provide you guidance throughout your launching of your first business in Canada. They will provide you with many online resources, practical support, toolkit, everything, so that you can launch your first business effectively in Canada. So if you will get enrolled in George Brown College, I will say to take full advantage of Start GBC program and take advantage of starting and launching your first product in Canadian market successfully. The next college in our list today is Red River College, which is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and it's also a top college for business studies in Canada. In order to get admission in Red River College, you need IELTS score of 6.5, and the tuition fees is around 16,000 Canadian dollar per year. They also offer lots of co-op program, but the main program where they can help you to start your own business is ACE program, ACE program. Under this program, they help students to build their business idea to reality. So if you have any business, you have opportunity of this ACE program, ACE program. Under this program, and this college will provide you mentorship, training, and every resource which you need to start developing your business idea to actual business and launch your business idea in Canada. And the fifth college in our list today is Humber College, which is located in Ontario, and to get admission in Humber College, you need IELTS score of 6.0 with no less than 5.5 in each. And the average tuition fee for the Humber College is 15,000 Canadian dollar per year. And the program which they have launched in Humber College is called as Center for Entrepreneurship, and they help in collaborate Humber students with successful mentorship and provide mentorship, provide training, provide strategic resources to help to start your own business. They also have a program called as Launch Me Entrepreneurship Program, which is a competition, and if you win that competition, you can get 20,000 Canadian dollar to start your business. So you need no investment of your own. They will give you 20,000 Canadian dollar, and you can take that money and launch your own business in Canada. And I think you should at least look into these opportunities, and so that you are prepared, so that you have some sort of business idea with yourself, and you can take part in this competition and win a lot of money to help to start your business in Canada. And the sixth college in our list today is Bow Valley College, which is located in Alberta, and it's also very reputed college and provide co-op placements and also provide hands-on experience. To get admission in this college, you need I-score of 6.0 and their per year tuition fees is around 15,000 Canadian dollar, and the 4 terms tuition fee can be around 30,000 Canadian dollar. Now the program which they offer for starting your own business in Canada, Venture Quest. And under Venture Quest, when I was looking at the website, they have workshops. They have lots of workshops to provide you lots of information to. Also, they will help you to develop skills which you require to start your business in Canada, which is amazing because if you have the skill, if you have that skill set, it will take you a long way. So they will provide you mentorship, they will provide you workshops, they will provide you training and also the skills which are required for a successful business launch in Canada. So these were all the colleges available. I hope you enjoyed this. I want to provide some new useful information. That's why I was bringing this video. It's not that long, but I hope you gain some knowledge apart from the regular full-time opportunities. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with other business students and other students who want to launch their product, want to launch their startup in Canada. And if you like this video, consider subscribing, like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.